Hey guys, this is chapter 10, section 5 on rockets and satellites. And the question is, how does a rocket lift off the ground? Well, we know that there's a force pulling down on everything, which is gravity. And we know that Newton's law says for the gases, or the Newton's third law says for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So the gases that expel here, it expels here with a downward force. It exerts an equal and opposite reaction to get the rocket off the ground. So as long as that force, gravity is pulling down on a rocket, as long as the force of the gases that it expels is greater than that gravitational pull, it will move the rocket in an upward motion. So what keeps that satellite in orbit? So a satellite, you keep thinking that a satellite might be pulled towards the Earth because of gravity, and it is being pulled down, much like this basketball, because of gravity, but the force of the throw is in a horizontal reaction, or horizontal direction. And it is the satellite itself, like this basketball, is called a projectile. And it actually follows a curved path like that. It's the horizontal and vertical motions, they act independently. So what happens in the satellite, think about the basketball, we take the satellite and we throw it harder. And remember, the harder you throw it, the further it's going to go before it's pulled down by gravity. So if we throw it hard enough and it gets pulled down towards the Earth by gravity, it's just going to be locked in this circular motion around the Earth. It has enough velocity that it moves it in a circular motion. So if it didn't have gravity, it would just continue to go off in a straight line. But it has gravity, which continues to pull it down towards itself. And the motion, because of inertia, it wants to keep going forward. So any force that causes an object to move in a circular path, that's called centripetal force. And satellites are at different distances from the face of the Earth, depending on what their job is. So you can see there's 4 different types of satellites here. And the space shuttle, when it does come in, it does go around the Earth. It's much lower than the research or global or GPS systems or the communication satellites. And that's it.